Hey guys, Andy here from Mediocre Hobbies, bringing you the result of the giveaway. That is the Christmas giveaway from my channel. I know a lot of you guys have been anxiously waiting on who the winner is, and you will find out who the winner is in just a minute. First of all, I want to say Happy Christmas to all. Hope everyone is happy and healthy at home. Another thing I wanted to talk about is where the channel is so far. So I set a goal out about 4 months ago when I started this channel that I would like to reach 1,000 subscribers by Christmas. I tipped over 3,000 subscribers a couple of days ago, so I am absolutely ecstatic with the progress that we've made so far. And I thank each and every one of you for all the support you've shown me with watching the videos, commenting, dropping likes, and of course subscribing. I hope more of that continues in the future and we grow this channel to something that we can be really proud of. So without further ado, we will now announce the winner of the Space Hulk giveaway. So to pick the winner, I jumped onto YouTube Studio and looked at my subscribers. It was broken down by 50 subscribers per page. With 3,000 subscribers on the channel, that means there was 60 pages. I asked Google to pick a random page between 1 and 60 and he chose 18. So I went to the 18th page with 50 subscribers on that page. I then asked Google to pick a random number between 1 and 50. That gave me 14. And that meant that the winner of the giveaway was Dalton Fink. Congratulations, Dalton. Congratulations, Dalton. I will be messaging you via the email attached to your YouTube channel with the details that I can get from you on your address and stuff so I can get that sent out. I hope to have it posted out before the new year kicks in, get it out to you nice and quick so that you enjoy the Space Hulk set early in the new year. So you guys may have noticed that I haven't posted as frequently as I had been. Basically, I had to stop posting about 4 weeks ago. I'm not going to get into that right now, but suffice it to say that 2022 is going to be our year. We're going to be working on something called the Mediocre Hobbies 365 project. That's going to be a super cool thing. I'm super excited to get that started. And I think it's going to make a huge difference to the channel as it stands and what we're going to do with the future. So once again, thank you all so much for being a part of the Mediocre Hobbies family. And I look forward to hearing all your comments and chatting to you guys in the new year. So once again from me, happy Christmas, stay safe, and I will see you in 2022.